In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use this IC in this circuit board without it directly soldering. What we will use is this component. This is called an IC socket. We can use this IC socket by putting it here. And then after soldering that, we can just put our IC here on top, and we don't need to solder directly the pins. We can reuse this IC on different application and saving us money. Now that the IC socket is soldered, we can now try to fit it. We can now try to fit our IC. It fits well. I hope you find this video interesting and useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.